Hello guys, the Natural Art Freak here, and what I have for you today is not a tutorial. I just wanted to have a little discussion with you guys to let you know that my Patreon is finally active. So I've uploaded a few stuff up here, even though I still haven't completed the other stuff that I wanted to finish before actually launching it. I just wanted to go ahead and launch it anyway, but by the end of this month, there'll be some new stuff on here that you guys might find useful. So here we have the first tier, which is just the buy me a coffee tier. That is, if you like what I do and you just want to support me, you can go ahead and support me with this, and you still get to have the free stuff that I create. And also here, you can see the second one, it says you get all my blueprints, both free and paid. So as I said to you guys before, some of my blueprints are going to be free and some are going to be paid. Already I've released about 4 of them that came for free. The next 3 or 4 that I'll be releasing won't be available for free, only for patrons on this tier. And on the next tier, which is just $5, it's giving you a colored blueprint that I'm going to show you guys right now. This is what it looks like right here. So it's basically the same blueprints of the standard ones, just colored, so you can tell where most of the objects are placed. So maybe you take a look at the hood, you can see the hood is colored green, so you don't find difficulty trying to find where anything goes. Maybe you're having difficulty finding where the hood goes. You can just look at the color and it will guide you completely. And of course, it's the same color for each view. So if you take a look at the hood in the front view, you can see it's green. On the side view, it's still green, and in the top view, it's still green, just like that. So basically, it's just to help you, make your modeling process a bit more easier than complicated. And also the next tier, we have a material and texture. For this, I have some new materials and texture that I only taught you guys to make on YouTube on my channel. That's all I did, but some of them were not into details. On this tier, you get most of my textures into the ones that I created into details and the ones that I use on most of my models. So this is some of the materials. I mean, the ones that are going to be up for now. We have the tire texture right here. So you're going to get the tire texture, including the tire wall texture. You're going to get that also in that tier. And then we have the brake disc texture. As you can see, it's just a swirl like that around. And then we have the sort of, I don't know if it's a metallic stone or something like that I created for my G-Wagon brake calipers. You can also have that. And then we have this metallic looking material over here. You can also have that. I think I used this one for my brake disc. Yeah, the outer side of the brake discs. And finally, the car paint. Now, this car paint is not the one that I taught you guys to make on YouTube. This one is much more into detail. And I actually learned to create this one off of CG Masters. It was a complete course that I took over there back in 2019, I think. Yeah. And I learned to create this material from there. You also get that for free. I mean, not for free, as the level 5 is a tier 5. Yeah, I think tier 4. You get that as a tier 4. So let's go over to the next tier. Now the next tier is the $25 tier. There'll be more tiers in the future, but I'm just going to leave it here for now. So for the $25 tiers, you get all of my 3D models. The new ones and the old ones, all of them, you get them all. But for now, I'm only going to upload only 2 of my 3D models. But along the way, I'll be uploading much more of my 3D models, maybe 2 a month for you guys. So yeah. For this, I'm just going to upload my Corvette 3D model, my very first detailed 3D model that I created, again off of cgmasters.net. It was a complete course that I took, and this was my final achievement from that course. And I'm going to be making that available for the tier level 5 people that need it. Also, I'm going to be putting a link in the description to the course that I took to create this 3D model you're seeing here. I actually lost a lot of my 3D models that I created back in the days to a virus. It was about 5 3D models. One was a hammer, I think a Lamborghini, and some other 3D models. I lost them to a virus that a guy gave me, and yeah, it wiped everything. It literally just wiped everything off of my laptop. It was the worst day of my life. Yeah. So you get this 3D model for that tier, and also my G-Wagon, the one, the course that I created on YouTube for you guys to follow, my final result. You also get that one for the tier level 5. Now, one thing that I'm making exclusive for you guys is for anybody that the first person that gets the tier level 4 here, which is the materials and the textures, the very first person that gets it, I'm going to give that person the Corvette 3D model for free. So that's basically what I wanted to tell you guys. Basically, I've set up my Patreon now, so if you want to support me, I'll be very, very grateful, because then it helps me create more of those stuff for you guys to get. And trust me, I have more exciting contents on the way, both tutorials and you know, materials and all that stuff, blueprints and all that. So yeah, this is where I'll be ending the video. I'll be making more future videos on this, and I will see you guys in the next video.